Yo, respect and manners people. Me name Yaad. Aja people scam me say. Well, this is Brein Yaad coming to life from Ja people's camp. And today I'm going to talk about Jamaican song titles with meanings you never knew. There are so many songs that have been hits and whose meanings you never understood. So today we are going to look at some of them. Straight. On my left, the song title. In the middle, the artist. And on your right, the meaning of the song. We shall go slowly so that you understand. The first song today, Something Agogwan. Something Agogwan by Bounty Killer and Busy Signal, meaning something is going to go on or something is going to happen. Ramping Sharp by Vibes Cartel and Spice, meaning lodge or sex room. So Someone Just Poop by Goofy or Mr. G, meaning someone just gassed. Good ass girl, Beanie Man, cute girl. Them are no, Vibes Cartel, they are not. Pum Pum, Bounty Killer, a vagina. Where the time? Vice Miel, what's the time? Boya, Busy Signal, around here. Wantanati, Sasha and Turbulence, want a rasta with natural dreadlocks. Informer, Snow, Snitch or Rumor Monger. Hits Pantapa hits, Kiplitan, hits on top of hits. Make we do it, Burning Spear, let us do it. Twerk it, Bust Rhymes featuring Nicki Minaj, Shake It. Backers, DeMarco, Backway, Dancing While Bending Over. Catch, RDX, this is seductive dance by spreading wide one's legs, exposing the cunt. No Think Me a Go Ball by Jamerson, don't think I'm going to cry. The Baddies, Mad Cabra, the best. Benzi Pnani, Vibes Cartel, very expensive and high-class women, so dear to buy for sex, or a very expensive or costly prostitute. Go-Go Club, Beanie Man, Strippers Club, club with night strip dance dancers, night striptease dancers. Dirty Wine, Tani Mataral, a dance where you move your legs in a butterfly motion and swing your head around, much effective when done by a girl with long hair. Agony, Busy Signal, sexual pain, yet sweet pleasure, sensations felt during sex. Agony. Mandem Thriller, Patra, men are thrillers or men are thrilling. Vitamin S, Baby Charm, Vitamin Sex. Ninja Me Ninja, Ninja Man, I am a ninja. No woman, no cry. Bob Marley, don't woman, don't cry. Gala Bubble, Conscience, girl is bubbling or girl is dancing. G them, Burning Spear, give them. Paradise Jam Down, Kashi Flindo, Paradise Jamaica. Pandikaki, Idania, on the dick. Go-Go Wine, Vibes Cartel, Striptease Dancing. Gully Side, Mavado, part of Jamaica called Cassava Piece, where Mavado comes from. Jiwe them, Spragabens, give them to us. Sorry, it's Jiwe them by Spragabens, give them to us. Otayaso dread, conscience, out here is hard, out here is dangerous, out here is deadly. Asomi turn, asomi stay, asomi day, asomi is by conscience. That's how I am. Girl them sugar, bean man and Maya, a ladies man, a gyalis. Girl, how me do you make you do me that? Vibes Cartela featuring Sheba. Girl, what did I do to you that makes you do that to me? Anywhere me de, Sizzler Kalonge, anywhere I am. Conjugal visit, Spice and Vibes Cartel. Conjugal visit is when you visit an inmate in prison and have sex with him or her, especially if he or she is your partner or spouse or girlfriend or boyfriend. Forward and represent, conscience, come and represent. Bedroom bully, busy signal. A bedroom bully is a Don Juan or stallion, a tiger in bed of a man. 9.58 or Birdman by Sugar, 1 minute man. And 9.58 is Usain Bolt fastest 100-meter sprint speed ever. Situla, Mavado. A situla is a lion in bed or a Don Juan, stallion, stamina daddy or bedroom bully. Fire pan obia, Kiplitan, fire on witchcraft. What them a do? Singing sweet. What are they doing? How do them? Vampino. What's wrong with them? What's their problem? Shatters, Sizzler Kalonge and Joel Santana. Gangsters. Thank God for the girl. Conscience. Thank God for the girls. Turn up and walk. Conscience. Stand up and walk. Or stand up and dance. Big boy. The major. Big and in charge around here. Gaza me say. Biniman. I support Gaza. Vibes Cartels Portmore. Tell me say. Tamichin. Tell me that. Rasta Battlefield. Sizzler Kalonge. Rasta's Battlefield. Namin. Damian Marley featuring Nas. You know what I mean? Bossy. Willie. Steve Landon. Sean Paul and Idris Alba. Boastful or pompous. Jaja City. Kiplitan. Godi City or City Without Any Chaos. Pom Pom Shots. Mr. Vegas featuring Cheramari and Egyptian. These are extremely short shots that barely cover a woman's buttocks and clearly show the outline of her vagina or pom pom. These shots are short enough to be panties, aka also known as butt riders or pony printers. Kuya kuya, Kiplitan, look here, bad mind, Vibes Cartel, envy or jealousy or someone who envies others. Tapa things, Kiplitan, tap of things. You and him de, Vibes Cartel and Sheba, you and him are dating. Shine eye girl, Shabaranks, gold digger, a gold digger of a girl. Flex, Mad Cabra, sex in different positions, or to go out and chill. Kude Kude, Kude Kude, Steady Wine by DeMarco. Look there. Steady Dance. Bombo Clat, Chameleon featuring Weezer. Fuck You, also for fuck or damn. Who say me done? Ranks. Who says I'm done? Who says I'm finished? Dopey afi make. Boy DeMarco. A ghost has to make, or a ghost has to let. Tip Panyato. Adonia. Tip on your toes. Dopey know ufi from DeMarco. Ghosts know who to frighten, meaning bullies know who to bully. Jim Screechy, Spice, Sneaking Thief, or to sneak. Wallan, KS Alpha, Hold On. Rikers Island by Cocotti. Rikers Island is the infamous correction facility in the East River located between Queens and Bronx, where New York City has its main jail complex. In the song, Cocotti was talking about a youth who came from Jamaica, and due to skylarking, he ended up behind bars in Rikers Island prison. Day-O by Harry Belafonte. This is a Jamaican folk song, but Harry sang his version in reference to the famous banana boat. New immigrants from the West into the US from the West Indies of African descent came on ships that used to transport bananas from the Caribbean to the US or Europe. Ghana Negril by Specialists. Gone or gone to Negril. Negril is a Jamaican parish or district. Tenement Yard, Kosh Onta. Tenement yard is housing area that is generally poor or underdeveloped. Jamaican ghetto or shanty town with family housing arrangement consisting of many substandard dwellings packed closely on a single plot of land. A slum, for that matter. Nobody have to know. Cranium. Nobody has to know. Get them there. Conscience and Mike One. Girls are here. Love is wicked. Brick and lace. Love is wonderful. Boya. Busy signal. Around here or nearby. Trailer ladder girl. Shabaranks. Trailer load of girls. Where we are going to do? Alkaline. What we are going to do? Limbo. Elephant Man. This is a West Indian dance contest in which participants must dance under a pole which is lowered successively until only one participant can successively pass under the pole without falling or touching it. It is often performed at celebrations such as weddings. I saw me like it. Spice, that's how I like it. Naf Girl, DeMarco, a lot of girls. Move unself, DeMarco, move yourselves. Pony Printer, Bat Rider, Panhead, very small and tight shorts worn by women that barely cover a woman's buttocks and clearly shows the outline of her pom-pom. Mad Them, Lady in Seville, Run Them Mad. Don't have to dread, Magan Heritage, Don't Have to Dread. No Linger, Elephant Man, Don't waste time. Don't linger. Sit down pan it. Lady Soul featuring Elephant Man. Sit down on it. Nagwana Jamaica. Mr. Vegas featuring Elephant Man. Not going on in Jamaica. Dogo Dogo. Egyptian. Dogo Dogo means sex. Bossa Wine. Mr. Lex or Lexus. Burst of dance. Dance until you burst. This them anyway. Mad Cabra. This them anyway or just them anyway. Renter Dread by Honorable. Renter Dreads are Rasta imposters, wolf, vampire or beach male war. Lodi, Shansia featuring Vibes Cartel. This is a board game called Ludo, played on a board with a dice. Not Nogoso, Mr. Natch. Nothing goes like that. Nothing is done like that. It's not true. It's not right. Gala Jimmy Bone, Ayak Girl is cheating on me. Girl is giving me burn. Shatter, Cardinal Official, Gangsters, or highly respected person in charge. Sidong Pambody, Conscience featuring Daria, Sit Down on Dick, Man a Bad Man, Lied G, Man is a Gangster. Burn Down Babylon by Muta Baruka, Burn Down the West. Take away yourself, Mr. Vegas. Take away yourself, meaning leave. Get lost. Still a bonunu. Still by Elephant Man. Still banning you. Managialis. Mr. Vegas. Man is a philanderer. A womanizer. A man is a player. A man is a Casanova. Meaning a man is free to have as many women as he wishes. Burn him. Macadamia Man featuring Blacker. Ban him or cheat on him. Them are pre. Mavado. They are watching. Hush. G-Weezy. Sorry also means shut up or be quiet. No ramp with we. Action. Don't fuck up with us. Don't play around with us. Right there, so. Charlie Black. Right there. Boom Bye Bye by Buju Banton. Hasta la vista. Sent to hell with the bullets. Sekodong. Mavado. Settle down or relax. Chill. Season Circle. Biebe Cool featuring Rema. Stop and relax. Stop and settle. Dede. Biebe Cool. Dede means be there. Am there. Is there. Was there. Were there. Depending on the tense in the conversation. Swaggerific by Mr. G, aka Goofy. Swagger that is so terrific. Swagger that is full of terror. Tamale by Mr. Vegas. Very hot, sex, beautiful babe. Your girlfriend. She's every man's dream. Better than them. Ayaktian featuring Zamonda. Better than them. Big Man Lico Youth. Red Rat and Goofy. Big Man, Little Youth or Little Kid. Daja or Dajarin. RDX. Sex or seductive dancing where the male rubs his khaki on a girl's body, particularly in the area of her cunt, rubbing on each other as though they are ready for it. Party shot. Papkian. Party or The bembe is or was awesome. Shut, awesome. Afimigia that by Red Rat. That is my girl. That is my girlfriend. Love them bad. Red Rat featuring Buju Banton. Love them a lot. Love them so much. Kyandon. Shabaranks. Can't stop. Never ending. Or can't cool, can't quench. Wine pan the edge. Gappy ranks. Dance on the edge. Bang rang. Freddie McGregor. Racket. Rakas. Breakout. Scandal. Flashing. Flipper Mafia. Showing off. Alteron Red. Richie Spice. Earth is running red. Or Earth is becoming bloody. Come on, Yaad. Rhino the Stinger. Come to my home. Blue Sim. G-Wiz. Police or police officers. Asimadi them. CG. They are somebody. Bumper. Charlie Black. The ass. The bat. The buttocks. Wicked in a bed. Shabaranks. Too good in bed. None of them. Shabaranks. None of them. Ting-a-ling. Shabaranks. Think is linging, the sound of a bell ringing, or to imitate the sound of a ringing bell. Bad up the lovey. Sanjay. Better up the love. Make the love better or badder. What kinda? Frisco Kid. What kind of? Oh Johnny. Mr. Vegas featuring Looney Tunes. Oh white boy. A white person. Fatty Boom. Mr. G or Goofy. A fatty boom is a very fat woman or person that when walking, the body makes boom boom noises or boom boom sounds. Mampy by Shaggy. Very fat or obese woman. Cool Runnings. Jane Stephenson. Goodbye. Johnny Well. Livication. Spragabens. Livication is the Rasta word for dedication. Chichiman. Antiman. Bula. Boogerman. Fish. Batman. Batboy. Mama Man. By T.O.K. meaning gay person. Gully Creeper. Elephant Man. Any monster or scary creature, whether fact or fiction. China Wine. Elephant Man. Chinese Dance. Galangyal. T.O.K. Go along gal. Or a very nice beautiful chick. Them a ball. Tiana. They are crying. Them a Gobon. Kiplitan featuring Cali P. They are going to ban. Sena Hell. Vibes Cartel. Send to hell. Minosino. Vibes Cartel. I don't see anything. Mina. Savage Savo. I won't or I don't. Wagwan. Excolivi. What's going on? Demia. Flipper Mafia. These. Wainangodo. Vibes Cartel and Mavado. Dance and go down. Guop by Mr. Vegas. Go up. Joke Girl. Elephant Man. Fuck Girl. Can't sleep. Red Rat. Can't sleep. Neil Pancras. Damian Marley. Nail on Cross. Welcome to Jamrock. Damian Marley. Welcome to Jamaica. Time Dread. Gina Jai. Times are hard. Them a watch. Taros Riley. They are watching. No gun. No make down there. Liko Hero. No gun made down there. Bula. Mr. Vegas. Gay or homosexual male. Broadway. Shaggy featuring Barrington Levy. highway. Smoke the weed, Snoop Lion. Smoke the ganja. Tired of that Samya. Queen Africa. Tired of this something. Do what you have to do. Vibes Cartel. Do what you want to do. Slapway, Cargo, and Elephant Man. Ewsam, Impressive, Kolo Kolo, Savage Savo, your bumper, your body, the buttocks. People, respect large, respect manners. Thank you. I don't know. A Brein Yaad coming to live from Jet People's Camp. Those were some of the songs. On this very page, you can see books that have been written by Brein Yaad under Jet People's Camp. We have the Jamaican Dictionary, a book of 600 pages translated into English. You need to get a copy. The other book is the Rastafari Movement, who is a true Rasta. This book explains everything there is to know about the Rastafari movement or faith. You need a copy. Blessings. You can reach us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Gmail, WhatsApp, and all the communication platforms all day. Blessings.